Okay, so we will be unboxing the new Realme C12. So this is the box. I've already removed the plastic packaging. So let's open the box. So we have this. This has the SIM card ejector tool and the paperwork. And here's the phone. What else is in the box? We have the USB cable and the charger. Okay, so nothing else in the box. So this is the phone. This is the Realme C12. Okay, so here's the side, here's the top, the back, the other side, and the bottom. It actually has very nice it's actually red but also kind of pink matte finish. And here's the fingerprint sensor, the triple camera, and the flash. So that's it. This is a quick unboxing of the Realme C12.